Hi grade 8s. So, in this video we're going to be talking about number 1 on page 14 of your method book. Number 1, page 14 in your method book, and that is called C natural minor scale. Or if you play a non-concert pitch instrument, it's probably going to have a different note other than C, but the important part is the natural minor scale part of it. Now, a natural minor scale is a fancy way of saying it's going to take a major scale and make it sound minor by starting on a different note. So the first thing I want you to do is take a look at your key signature. You'll notice that the key signature is the same as the ones that we were working on in the past couple of videos when we were working on page 12 and page 13 of E-flat major concert. So E-flat concert translates to C minor. And the way that we can figure that out, and we talked a little bit about this before, if you want to find out what minor scale is attached to a major scale, all you have to do is take the 6th note of the major scale and then start on that note, and then you have the minor scale. So for example, let's take this one. The E-flat major scale, which is the one that we were working on before, if you count the 6th note of that, and the easy way to do that is actually just to count downwards. So if we start on E-flat, and then we go down one note down to low 7, or, the note below that, which would be D. And then if you go down to low 6 below that, it's going to be a C. And that's how you figure out what the natural minor scale is. This is just an introduction as to how this works, so don't worry if this is kind of going over your head. That's okay. I just kind of want to bring attention to it. Point is, you have the same key signature in this piece as you did with the last ones. And it will sound like a minor scale because we're starting on a different note. So, let's give it a try. Now, this is important. What I want you to do is we're going to be starting in the 4th last bar of the section that has the label B. I don't know what your books look like, so I don't know what that's going to look like, but in my book, I have one part of it that says A, and then another part of it that says B. So what I want you to do is I want you to find the part that says B, and I want you to do the last 4 bars of that part. Here's what it's going to sound like. 1, 2, 3. And that last note was supposed to be held a little bit longer, but I ran out of air, so that's how it goes sometimes. Anyways, it's the last 4 bars of section B. Let's play it together at that speed. 1, 2, ready. Whew, barely made it that time. Okay. Let's do this one more time a little bit faster. And the reason, I'll give you a break here in just a second, the reason that we're only doing those last 4 bars is because everything before that in section A and the early part of section B is different in everyone else's books. So this part is the same for everybody. Okay? So the last 4 bars of section B, if you want to take a look at everything else in this exercise, feel free to do so. There are some high notes in there, especially if you play like the flute and stuff. But let's play last 4 bars of section B a little bit faster. And 1, 2, ready. Oh, no, I started on the wrong note. Let's try that again. My bad. 1, 2, ready. And there you have it. That is the C natural minor scale, number 1, page 14 in your method book. Nice job.